It sounds counterintuitive, but many modern front doors fail sooner than older ones. And the reason has less to do with age and more to do with how doors are made today. Older doors were often constructed from solid, dense materials, thicker wood, higher quality cores, and simpler designs that held up well over decades. Modern doors, by contrast, are frequently built to reduce cost and weight, using engineered materials, thinner veneers, and layered components that are more vulnerable to moisture and temperature changes. Another major factor is factory finishes. Many new doors come pre-finished with coatings designed to look good in a showroom, not to withstand years of direct sun, rain, and temperature swings. These finishes often lack sufficient UV protection and flexibility, causing them to fade, peel, or crack within just a few seasons, sometimes faster than older doors that were finished with simpler but more forgiving coating. Modern door designs also tend to include more seams, panels, and decorative details, which create additional entry points for moisture. Once water gets into these joints, it spreads quickly beneath the finish, accelerating failure. Finally, homeowners often assume new doors are maintenance-free, so early signs of wear go unnoticed. By the time problems appear, damage has already progressed. In contrast, many older doors are structurally sound and simply suffer from finish failure. When properly refinished with modern professional-grade coatings, these doors often outlast newer replacements, proving that longevity comes from quality materials and proper protection, not age alone. And DoorRenew can provide that longevity. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.